Okay, I'm going to show you how to use wagtail type scrubber, but in a different way to clean these. As you can see, I'm scrubbing sidewards, and I just flip the pad over and I can squeeze sidewards like I am now. Put it down, it's still pretty wet too, and you scrub like this, you flip it like that, and then you fan it like this. As you can see, I'll just flip it again, scrub. I've just flipped it, as you can see, squeegee, and notice that I'm not reaching above my head when I'm doing. I'm well back, and it makes it so much easier to not only scrub but see where you've missed also. You flip, squeegee, back around and close out on the side. And here this is a little bit more, same thing, watch, flipped it, around like that, and close out. And well, that's about it.